In the last episode of Sailing Doodles, we left French Polynesia behind, headed to Niue. After a 1,000-mile sail, it really is nice to be able to see land again.
It's like a sliver of land. You could miss it.
I mean, the whole island is just like 50 meters tall and just kind of flat. It's 100 square miles, so it's 10 miles by 10 miles. That's it. From what we've heard, Niue is, the people are super friendly and really accommodating, and all the reviews and all the books and the travel guides have been like very good, so we're kind of looking forward to it. Unfortunately, it looks like we're going to be here we're going to get to the anchorage after dark. With Niue in sight, it was time to pull down the Tahitian cruising flag and put up the yellow quarantine flag. And we were treated to one more beautiful sunset out on the water. The next morning, we headed into shore to check in. There are very few, if any, real beaches on the island, so the town dock is pretty much it, which can be a little sketchy. The swells would quickly make mincemeat of your dinghy, so you drop off the crew and then they actually hoist the dinghy up out of the water with a crane. So I had to improvise real quick on a 3-point harness. I wasn't planning to ride up in the dinghy, but as soon as I had it connected, the crane operator started lifting. It's the most unique way we have come ashore yet. Keith from the Niue Yacht Club picked us up and gave us a little tour of his island. Keith here has been showing us around the island all day. He's a great guy. He's with the Niue Yacht Club and NiueTours.com. So tell us a little bit about your operations here and how long you've been here and a little bit about yourself.
Well, first of all, welcome to
Thank you.
To you and your crew, Bobby. First yacht through in the season, so you're a special visitor. So
right.
Well done, so thank you. No, I'm the Commodore of the Niue Yacht Club, and Commodore's a grand title and assumes that you've got an amazing sailing experience. But we're the only yacht club in the world, and the biggest little yacht club in the world. It's got no yachts, nobody's ever sailed, and we've got no home of our own at the moment either. But we have a club membership base since we started 27 years ago, about 1,800 people on our yacht club database. Unfortunately not all financial members,
right?
But last year we had 176 yachts through with 400 crews. So we are organised. We don't know anything about sailing, but we provide the facilities that we've got White Squall moored on at the moment out there. That's a commercial break.
Yeah.
So we will have very shortly 20 moorings down there.
Yeah.
So we've got World Arc coming through on the 20th of May with 33 yachts and 100 crews. So it's all go from here on. And you guys can do this.
Well, you can consider us new members. It's been invaluable, all the stuff he's helped us get done. So if you're going to be sailing through Niue, I highly recommend checking him out. It's nyc.nu, so NiueYachtClub.nu. And then also, if you're wanting to do tours, right? You do a tour company.
Yes, we're very highly rated from TripAdvisor too. So we've been in operation for 10 years, so we know what we're doing. We're also very modest.
Yeah.
But,
So it's nuetours.com, and there'll be a link showing up right now. And yeah.
There's a lot more to this island than
Oh,
I
yeah.
think we were anticipating. So
Yeah. We had only planned to be here maybe 2 nights really, but after just driving around the shore a little bit with Keith, we decided to stay an extra day at least. There's so much to do.
there's putt-putt.
The mini golf course
caves
is like the most epic mini golf course ever. So
and petting.
venomous
Venomous snakes.
sea snakes. Well, thank you, sir, very much.
Thank you.
All right. We figured there was a lot of the island we wanted to see, so we decided to get a rental car. So the people at the Niue Visitor Centers help us get this rental car. It's a little van, not bad, 50 bucks a day. It does smell like cat pee and it has cigarette burns, but it's the last car available, so we're happy to have it. The first thing we wanted to do was take care of some of our chores, like the laundry.
This is my favorite part, when I don't have to do the laundry.
After that, we tracked down the duty-free liquor store. This is the Government of Niue, right across from the Visitor Center. We got the most important things for cruising, beer and diesel, and some liquor over there, so we're set to go. You get 2 duty-free buys, and you can buy as much as you want here when you come on our yacht. So, I love how our car, by the way, they've got these protective floor mats to make sure it stays nice and shiny and new. Oh yeah, our protective floor mats right here.
Where are we going?
I have no idea, we're just going for a drive. We're in Niue. We found the Multihulls Scenic Resort, which has some of the most beautiful sunsets on the island. We made it to yet another island, so cheers.
Happy Cinco de Mayo.
Cinco de Mayo, we're drinking Mexican beer.
Corona.
You'll be all right. Thank you.
Thank you so much to the patrons that make this channel possible.